Master of Mixes handcrafted cocktails. Here comes another twist on a classic. We start off with our glass full of ice, of course. Now, 1.5 ounces of Jamaican rum. 1/2 ounce of an Italian bitter liqueur. 2 ounces of pineapple juice. That's right, we are headed towards the Jungle Bird. However, red sangria mix comes in to change it all around, puts a little twist on it. Great citrus and dark cherry and pomegranate. Here we go with my great shaker tin. Now, pineapple juice puts a really nice froth on top of a drink. Hawthorne strainer, and here's a fine strainer. I want to do that to make sure that any bits of pulp and shards of ice do not get in the drink. There's just a tiny little piece of pineapple. I let it get nice and yellow. It's a golden pineapple, international sign of hospitality. Here we go. Yeah, you can hear the froth and all the bubbles stuck inside the ice cubes. So I just want to shake that. Make sure that that gets inside the drink. Looking beautiful. This is our twist on the Jungle Bird, the Sangrian Jungle Bird.